Let me show you how you can enable developer options and enable USB debugging for installing apps from your Android Studio or your PC. First, go to your settings and scroll all the way down, and you will see about phone. Click on about phone and scroll all the way down again, and you will see build number. Now tap continuously on build number until you see you are a developer. In my case, I'm already a developer, so it is saying no need, you are already a developer. Now this has enabled developer options. To see where our developer options are, you can go back to your settings, click on system, scroll down, and you will find this developer options. Now if your settings are different and you cannot find developers options, what you can do is just go back and search for developer. Now you will see this developer option and click on this. Now if you want to install apps from Android Studio or your Mac, or want to do some stuff, you will need to enable USB debugging. So I have this already enabled. Just click on this and USB debugging will be enabled. You can also choose to enable wireless debugging, and you'll find various other settings like verify apps over USB and all this stuff here. So this is how you can enable developer options. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.